Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. If your car hesitates when you press the gas pedal, it can be frustrating and even dangerous. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to diagnose and fix engine hesitation during acceleration. Stick around, and let's get your car running smoothly again. First, let's talk about what engine hesitation is. When you accelerate, your engine should respond immediately. But if you experience a delay, jerking, or stumbling, that's hesitation. This problem can be caused by several issues. Engine hesitation can happen for many reasons. Here are the most common ones, like dirty or faulty mass airflow MAF sensor, checking the air filter, faulty spark plugs or ignition coils, throttle body issues, vacuum leaks, exhaust system, engine control module, and transmission problems. Before diving into troubleshooting, I recommend using an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes. If you retrieve a code, that's your starting point. If you don't have a scanner, no worries, I'll show you some other ways to identify the issue. So let's begin. First of all, the dirty or faulty mass airflow MAF sensor. A dirty or faulty mass airflow sensor can cause hesitation. Remove the sensor, clean it with MAF cleaner, and reinstall it. If the problem persists, you might need to replace it. Next, check the air filter. A clogged air filter can restrict airflow, causing hesitation. To check it, locate your air filter box, remove the filter, and inspect it. If it's dirty or clogged, replace it with a new one. A clean air filter allows your engine to breathe better and improves acceleration. Next, the spark plugs or ignition coils. Bad spark plugs or ignition coils can lead to engine hesitation. Remove a spark plug and check for wear. If it's dirty, clean it. If it's too worn, replace it. Also, inspect ignition coils and wires for any damage. Good ignition means a smooth-running engine. Next, throttle body issues. The throttle body controls the air entering the engine. If the motor responsible for rotating the throttle plate is faulty, it can cause a delayed response when pressing the gas pedal. Dirt buildup can also cause the throttle plate to stick. So regular cleaning, every 60,000–80,000 miles, is recommended. Next, vacuum leaks. A vacuum leak can cause your engine to hesitate. Check all vacuum hoses for cracks or loose connections. Spray some carb cleaner around the hoses. If the engine RPM changes, you found a leak. Replace any damaged hoses. Next, the exhaust system. A clogged catalytic converter or muffler can restrict exhaust flow, leading to increased back pressure and reduced engine performance. If your vehicle struggles to accelerate, a blockage in the exhaust system could be the culprit. Next, the engine control module. A faulty ECM can cause acceleration problems. ECM failures can cause unpredictable engine behavior, random stalling, and a lack of response from the throttle. The last is transmission issues. If your engine hesitates during shifting, it could be a transmission issue. Check the transmission fluid level and quality. If it's dark or burnt, replace it. For serious transmission issues, consult a mechanic. And that's it. These steps should help you diagnose and fix engine hesitation during acceleration. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.